Good morning, parents. Good morning, children. Welcome back to LKG Story Class. Children, are you excited to hear another story? Today, I am going to tell you a story about sharing. Once, there was a little boy. His name was Keith. It was his birthday. He was 8 years old. His mother had promised Keith some time back that if he was a good boy and if he studied and did well in his exams, she would give him a nice birthday party. And Keith was a nice boy. He listened to his parents, he studied, and he answered his exams well. The mother was very happy with Keith. So she told Keith, since you were a good boy and you listened to your parents and you did well in your exams, I am going to celebrate your birthday. I'm going to have a big party. You can invite all your friends. I'll make nice dishes and I will also give you a nice gift. Keith, he loved dogs. So his mother gave him a little pup for his birthday. On his birthday, Keith's mother decorated the house. She put out lovely balloons, colorful balloons. She put streamers and she gave him a nice birthday card, bought him a nice shirt and a pant. And Keith invited a few of his friends for the birthday party. Keith also loved cars. So Keith's mother decided to bake a cake in the shape of a car. After all the decorations were done, his mum prepared the cake, some nice delicious food, cookies, chips. She made some nice chocolate milkshake. And there were a lot of good things to eat. In the evening, Keith dressed up, wore his new shirt and pant and shoes and got ready for the party. He was waiting for his friends to arrive. After a little while, he heard a knock on the door. When he went to open the door, it wasn't his friend. It was a poor little boy with torn clothes, dirty clothes. His hair was not combed. And he asked Keith, please give me something to eat. I'm hungry. Keith told him, go away from my house. There is nothing for you to eat. My friends are going to come now. Go away. Go away from here. And he closed the door. After some time, there was a knock on the door. Keith went to open the door and his friends had arrived. All of them had lovely gifts for Keith. Keith brought them in and they cut the cake. They sang happy birthday for him. They played a lot of games. After they had dinner, all the children said goodbye and went back home. When Keith was out saying bye to his friends, he saw that poor little boy with dirty clothes standing across the street. Keith came inside the house and locked the door. After some time, his mother told him, Keith, you are a good boy. That little boy across the street is poor. He doesn't have anything to eat. I think you should go and call him in. We will give him some food to eat. So Keith did as his mother told him. He went and called the boy from across the street. The boy was very happy. He ran and came inside the house. He was very hungry. So his mother, Keith's mother, gave him cake, biscuits, cookies, and the milkshake and whatever she had prepared for Keith's birthday. That poor little boy ate nicely and he thanked Keith and went away. Children, the moral of the story is you must always share whatever you have. If you have toys, you must share it with your friends. When your friends come to play with you, you must allow them to play. When you have something to eat, your tiffin, you must share it with other children too. I will tell you another story about a little girl. Her name was Shanvi. Shanvi was a very nice girl, but she never liked to share her food or her toys with her friends. And Shanvi's parents used to always tell her, Shanvi, you must share your things with others. You must share your tiffin. You must share your toys. One day, Shanvi went to school and she opened her tiffin. As she was about to eat her tiffin fell down. Poor Shanvi couldn't eat anything. There was nothing for her to eat because all her tiffin fell on the ground. She was very sad. Her friends sitting close by saw that Shanvi was very sad and that her tiffin had fallen down. They told her, Shanvi, don't be sad. We will share our tiffin with you. So all of them came and shared their tiffin with Shanvi. Shanvi was very happy to see that her friends shared their tiffin with her. Even though she never used to share her tiffin, friends shared the tiffin with her. From that day, Shanvi started sharing her tiffin and her toys with her friends. She went back home and she told her mother what had happened. And she told her mother that from now on she will share her tiffin, her books, her toys with friends. Children, I hope you enjoyed the story. You must also learn how to share. You must be good children. You must listen to your parents, study nicely, do well in exams. Okay, children? I hope you enjoyed the story, children. Thank you and have a nice day.